Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are driving into the world of flavors with a delicious mushroom sabji masala recipe. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a perfect blend of spices and texture as we create a mouth-watering dish that's sure to become a favorite at your dinner table. So now let's start with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 4 green chilies and fry this for about a minute. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry until the tomatoes are soft. Then add 400 grams of mushroom cut in half and add about 3 tablespoons of water. Give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook for about 10 minutes. Then give this a mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon Sabji Masala, you can use any kind, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 stock cube, and give this a really nice mix. Mix it until it is nice and semi-dry. Then add some chopped coriander leaves and cook this for about another 2 minutes. So this mushroom with sabji masala is ready to serve now. Also get ready to impress your friends and family with this delicious mushroom sabji masala recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting culinary adventure, and remember, the magic ingredient is always love. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.